Hi everyone, this is David Cito again from 3D Roundhouse. We're trying to spread the word that families can enjoy 3D printing. Elizabeth!
What?
Come on in, show people what you got.
Hello?
Ooh. So everyone, remember last time Elizabeth threw these earrings? Well, this is the one with the heart shape. The top is a heart shape and the bottom are links. Very good. So Elizabeth, I want to show the people how I make these earrings, and the key tool for this in Fusion 360 is called the sweep tool. Okay, so how the sweep tool works is, imagine this circle here is just flat. It's a flat circle, okay? And what the sweep tool does is it makes this flat circle into a 3D shape.
3D stripe.
And that's how I made the link in your earring.
Like this.
Okay.
That's a really big one.
Okay, so check out this video. I'll show you how I did it, and we'll be right back. Okay, this video is going to show you how to make this heart-shaped earring, which was designed by Elizabeth. So the tools we're going to need are, under Sketch, we'll need the line tool, we'll need the circle center diameter circle. Under Slot, we need the overall slot, we'll need the spline tool, and we'll need the mirror tool here. Under Create, we'll use Extrude and Sweep to make the link. And then under Modify, we're going to use the Move and Copy tool in a very special way. Okay, let's begin. Under Sketch, let's grab ourselves a line, drawing it on the bottom plane, and just draw it down the green line. Enter. Now notice this 50 here, it says 50 millimeters across. Our earring is only going to be 20 millimeters across, so it's only going to extend to here, right? This is the 10 millimeter mark, 10, 20, 30, etc. So we want to zoom in so we can draw our heart basically within these 4 squares. Grab the zoom window tool and let's just zoom in. Let's grab ourselves the spline tool. From the origin, we'll go up 5 squares. Click, go diagonal 5, back diagonal 5, and bring it down. So a total of 10 squares below the origin. We don't want to continue because the spline tool will distort your heart. And we'll just hit enter. Next, under Sketch, grab the mirror tool. The object we want to mirror is this curve here. The mirror line is the center, and there's your heart. Hit OK. We don't need the center line anymore. Delete, highlight it and delete. So next we want to draw 2 circles. One for where your earring pin will go into, and the other one for the chain. So for that, let's grab ourselves a circle, a center diameter circle. So for the earring pin, we'll just put it at the origin and give it a diameter of 2 millimeters. Next, let's just put the bottom circle here and give it a diameter of 4 millimeters. Enter. So here we want to stop this first sketch. Now we want to have the second sketch done now for the links, but we want to have it separated, so that's why we hit stop the sketch. So let's do another sketch. Under Sketch, another center diameter circle, and this time on the bottom plane. Now of course we have to zoom in again. For the link, we're going to place it at this center spot, click and drag. Okay, so it's also going to be 2 millimeters. Enter. So this is going to be the link, and you'll see in a second. I'm going to stop this sketch. We want to grab the slot tool, overall slot, but we want to put it on this plane, a vertical plane on the side. And let's zoom in again so you can see clearly what happens next. Let's orbit this slightly as well. Now we have the slot 2 going, so we're going to start at this point here and give it a length of 10 and a diameter of 6. Enter, and can stop the sketch. So basically all the sketching is done. We highlight the heart shape, create, extrude, give it a height of 1.5, and there's the heart. Now we want to hide this heart for now so you can see what happens next. I'm going to click that light bulb and zoom in a little bit. We're going to use the sweep tool. The profile we want to sweep is this circle, and the path follows this path. It's a new body. Click OK. Let's bring back the heart. Now for printing, this is going to be a little bit problematic because the heart is elevated too high. You're going to get a lot of support material. So let's raise the link a little bit, highlight the second body, and modify move. Let's lift it up 1 and click OK. Give it a home view. Now for this next part, you probably want to watch a little bit closely. Here's the body of the first link. We want to rotate this, but we want to rotate this in the proper way. We want to modify move. You see this set pivot here? If I don't change the set pivot, and when I rotate it, it's going to rotate in an improper way. I don't want it to rotate out. I want to change the set pivot to the very middle, which is right here. And I click the check to confirm it's done. Now when I rotate, it rotates properly. So I'm going to rotate 30 degrees and hit OK. Highlight the body, Command C, Command V, or Control C, Control V on a PC to make a copy, and slide it over. I'm going to slide it over 14. Hit OK. Highlight that link again, Command C, Command V, copy and paste. And once again, I'm going to change the pivot to the middle and check the green mark to make sure it's done. Now, this part, we're going to pull it over just 7 and rotate this 90 degrees. Click OK. Get the home view. And that's how you can make a heart earring with links. To print it at the top of the tree, right click and save it as an STL file. It'll save it as one STL file even though these links are not touching each other. Well, that's how I made this heart-shaped earring with links for Elizabeth.
Hi, we're back.
Oh,
I hope you learned how to use that sweep tool. It's not so hard to make that link for her earrings. So for next time, we're going to do the star, and I'll show you how to do it on the same model as the heart. Okay? So until then, anything you want to say, Elizabeth? Okay. Just goofing around. Okay, guys, we'll see you next time. Please subscribe, give us a like, and please spread the word that 3D printing can be a new type of family entertainment. Bye.
bye-bye.